Hello, sir. I'm Kun. Talking about the mass pace. Perhaps 10:22 says the blessing of the Lord, the mass rich, and he ordens the snowstorms with it. When they become the discount with what God has supplied, what the word is the same way of the operation since test. If we follow the word the same way, God is not able to give us the blessing He wants to give us. Some ways that Christians follow the top tenets of the Lord of the word is those young ways use the Christians core test cards and change account borrowing money and granting sense living above was God intended and trying to have the some to have what the people neither don't have virtues yet to the temptation of the abortion since the way the Lord have designed the servant of other plans is called our church and girls. The trend of the world was a way getting things led to spread in loyalty. A person soon become way of the immortal matters and things of the Lord are forgotten. Mark 4:19 and the crashes of this world and the deficiencies of the rich and the lust of other things enter in corrupt the world and it becomes unfaithful, following the world way to reach crush the way to clock and it becomes uniform spiritual growth decrease and may stop. This person may even dump of the church. It leads to a lot of true rich. Luke 16:1, 13 is an account of the church who was successful with his master gods. He was teaching his master gods when the master called the servant to give an account of the wisdom God he turned to the way of the water to seven with he count. Verse 10:13 tell us was he that is successful in small things will also be successful in the large things. And if we are not faithful in the small things, we will not the faithful in the longer things. If we can't be faithful in that way of others, we can't be faithful in our own. No one can suffer two matters, be swearing their words and money. We lost the true riches with which God would like to bless us. We can't be trusted to be a strong word over God's process. No. It lets the designer of the vest. First Timothy 5:8. But if any provide enough for his own, and the source for those if of him own house, he said he has divided the fast and is worse than infant. The mark of the superiority is not how much you have but Richard, how much you give to meet the needs of others. God bless and curse for those who give the car of others for others. It Christ and tip tenants to be fortune of ours in money matters. The great in our always use or change your content, credit cards, and others useful ways to operation good cards late to filter use the same things. So the person is depth always everyone in the tone the that to further things the person want to be out of different fancy Now Lieutenant West and Brown grows more happy. So finish.